वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अली टेक इन्फो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन यूट्यूब इन 2023। आप लोग यूट्यूब से कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। You want to know how to make money on YouTube, whether you want to start a side hustle or turn to YouTube full time as an entrepreneur. This blog post is for you. In this guide, creators will learn the steps required to make and monetize a successful YouTube channel, from setting up the channel, generating content that appeals to an audience, and understanding different ways of earning money from your videos. Everything is covered right here for you. Monetize directly through YouTube. Monetizing directly through YouTube allow content creators to earn revenue from the videos they produce. This monetization option is available for any video creator who has achieved over 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But while watch time is crucial, it really comes down to subscribers. More subscribers means more money. To get started with the money making process, creator must have at least 1,000 subscribers on their channel. When this threshold is met, the creator can apply for monetization status through YouTube advertisers, then pay for the ad space on videos, and the money is shared with the creator of the video. YouTube channel membership are a great ways to make money on the platform. However, there is an eligibility requirement. This feature is available to all channels with at least 1 lakh subscribers and also allows viewers to pay a monthly subscription fee in exchange for exclusive members-only content, perks, and other benefits. To set up a channel membership, YouTubers need to add rewards that they can offer their members and adjust the settings such as price point, time frame, and more. Once live, it's important to promote your channel membership on your channel as well as other social media platforms. With the right approach, YouTube channel membership can be an effective way for you to build relationships with your viewers and monetize your channel. YouTube Premium is another effective way for YouTubers to make money. With YouTube Premium, viewers pay a monthly subscription fee in exchange for ad-free viewing and access to exclusive content. As such, YouTubers can create content that they know will draw in premium subscribers while still earning revenue from the ad view on their regular videos. To maximize the advantages of YouTube Premium, YouTubers need to understand how the feature works, optimize their content accordingly, market their channel, and engage with their audience regularly. Many creators start out without any expectations or goals when it comes to monetizing their channel, but understanding how much a creator makes per thousands reviews on their account can help them set realistic expectations for their channel growth and income. On average, creator can earn approximately $2 to $5 per thousand views on YouTube. This number varies depending on type of content being created and the topic of the video, but it's good indication of what a creator can expect to make from their चैनल। बिकम यूट्यूब पार्टनर बन सकते हैं। तो यूट्यूब से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग करेंगे ये हमने आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर देखा। इसके लिए आपको 1000 सब्सक्राइबर, 4000 घंटे वॉच टाइम चाहिए होता है, ये डिफरेंट चीज़ें। तो अगर आप लोग को आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। आप लोगों से हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।